asserted, and we affirm it yet again, that no fact in history is better attested than the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead. It must not be denied by any who are willing to pay the slightest respect to the testimony of their fellow men. That Jesus, who died upon the cross and was buried in the tomb of Joseph of Arimathea, did literally rise again from the dead.
We're calling out to every nation to spread the word that Jesus is alive. We're people of His kingdom. His resurrection is our freedom for every heart, every tongue, and every tribe. We will dance with the one that shines brighter than the sun. We lift our eyes up. And this we know His Spirit is in this place. Nothing stand between us. We carry the love that has redeemed us.